Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Quizlet application. So first of all you need to open your app, then tap here the create button, the bottom part. Flashcard set, simply tap here. Then you have to, I'm just going to tap history. You can give your title, and you can like scan documents. You can documents, then it will be good for you. But if you tap it Trump, so I can say American history, something like this. Okay, and if you tap here definitions, then I'm just going to tap here randomly. Again you have to give at least two Trump. British colony. Okay, just okay, spelling mistake. British state. I'm just going to give randomly. If you tap here, okay, and after that you can change the color, but it's not okay in free mode. If you want to get all the access, then you have to buy the premium package. And after that simply tap here the tick mark. So it is second to get the interface, so you can see it's completed. So now you can see the flashcard American history. Like that is nothing, like you have to read. I'm just going to tap here learn, then you can see here you have to give the all the document. Okay, then you can learn. You have to give the all document, test, maths, stat cam.